What's going on today, guys? Figured I'd do y'all a little bit of a cold start video. It's like 37 degrees out here, it's reading. I haven't started up the old Dodge in a couple of days. Let's see how it turns out. Ready to ride again. I ain't drove that thing in a while. Not street legal no more, so I just cruise around the yard a little bit with it. Sure do miss driving it though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Badly. I gotta wash it. Too cold right now to wash it though. I got y'all sitting in the old tripods. They outside a lot. Well, I'm going to see y'all in the next one. I figured I'd do a little cold start. I'll see y'all later on. Y'all be safe out there and stay warm.